political corruption that occur in the local government. Some of them are more common than others, and some are more prevalent to the local government than other large segments of the government. So in government sector it is a routine, and it does not raise an eyebrow. So forms of corruption are bribery, extortion, embezzlement and nepotism, which are found in local government system. So today we are going to delineate the nepotism system with the help of a play. The name of the play is Good, Better and the Worst. In the play we have three individuals who are searching for job. One of them is Harry, who is obedient, hard worker and intelligent boy. He completed his studies with an outstanding score. He belongs to a below poverty line family. The family is devoting everything they have to their child, and that is why they look up to him. So let's see what fate has decided for.
What are you doing?
That I am preparing for my interview from last 2 hours. I felt it boring, so can I go to see movie with my friends?
No, concentrate on your study. You are an intelligent boy. You should understand your responsibilities.
Okay, Dad, I will not go to see movie with my friends.
Okay, it will be good for you.
Sir, may I come in, please?
Come in. Have a seat.
Thank you.
What is your good name?
My name is Venkat.
Very good. What is your qualification?
Sir, I completed my post-graduation with 90% marks.
Okay. Show your documents.
What's your aim?
My aim is to become a successful engineer in my life.
Why do you think you will be successful in this job?
Sir, because I'm hardworking and I think I will take your company to the high level.
Have you any experience?
No, I just completed my post-graduation.
What is drift velocity?
The movement of electrons in a particular direction of a conductor when an external electric field is applied.
What is right hand thumb rule?
When we grip a conductor in our hand, the thumb shows the thumb represents the direction of a current. It is known as right hand thumb rule.
What is transformer?
Transformer is
What is types?
What is principle of fire alarm?
What is electric current?
movement of
Which type of your job are you searching?
I'm searching a 5 job.
How many salary do you want?
Sir, at least 50,000.
We can give you only 20,000. Are you satisfied with it?
No, ma'am.
You can.
Hello.
Hello, Dad. I think my interview was not good, so I lost the chance for my job.
I think you missed the chance because of your weakness. Less hard work. According to me, you don't have that much capability to get a job. You always hurt our feelings.
Sorry, Dad.
Another person is Rajan. He is living on his own by doing a part-time job. He is studying hard to get a good marks in graduation and to get a job. He completed his graduation by taking help of his friends. So it is necessary for him to get a full-time job to pay his mortgage. He got average marks in his graduation because of his hectic life. Let's see how things goes for him.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, you want.
Have a seat.
Thank you. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Well, tell me about yourself.
I am Rajan Sharma. I have completed Bachelor of Commerce with 65% mark from Punjab University, Patiala. My hobbies are listening to music, playing cricket, traveling, going to new places with friends. That's it.
What is goodwill?
Goodwill is a reputation of a good company. It is an intangible asset.
Okay. What is cost model?
Cost audit is audit of cost records. It represents the verification of cost accounts of the company.
Okay. What do you think is important, job or salary?
According to me, job is important for me because my future depends on this job.
Why should we hire you?
Oh, nice question, sir. Ma'am, sorry. I am hardworking. I am optimistic person.
Have you any experience?
No, sir. I don't have any experience relating to this job because recently I have completed my study.
Which type of job you are searching?
As per my qualification, I am searching a job is that can do justice to my skills and knowledge.
We will find you as a clerk in our organization. Would you like to be part of our company?
Clerk, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this job is not related to me.
But we have only clerical job. Do you want?
Okay, ma'am. I will join your company. Thank you so much. Nice meeting.
The last individual is Raman. She lives quite lavishly. Prodigal is a word to describe her way of living. She belongs to a family which has political background and have connections with the influential people. She is below average in studies and none of her family members are concerned about her academic background. So she gets everything she desires. Let's see how things roll for her. What are you doing, Praman?
I'm preparing for interview and chatting with friends, Mom.
Don't take any tension regarding interview. Let's go for a shopping. After that, we go for a dinner in 5-star hotel.
Okay, Mom.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
How are you, Raman?
I'm fine, sir.
How is your family?
They all are fine.
Okay. I personally know your father.
Oh, but
Your
I
fa-
don't know.
Your father helps our company a lot. We really appreciate his contribution.
Did you face any trouble getting here?
No, it was very easy.
How many quadrants are in our law?
4 quadrants.
Tell me something about dental caries.
Dental caries is irreversible microbial disease that causes the inorganic and organic destruction of the tooth, which may or may not be lead to cavation.
What are pit and fissure caries?
Pit caries are bad caries which are known as pinpoint caries, and fissure caries are bad caries which are outlying or shallow caries.
What is jaw relation?
When the maxilla and mandible collude with each other, they are called jaw relations. But I forgot to bring my documents.
Don't worry, there is no need of your documents. You are already selected.
Thank you, sir. Mom invited you to all for dinner today. You always come.
Despite having an excellent profile, Harry was unable to crack the interview. So because of biasness of the interviewers, so he decided to end up his miserable life as his parents did not support him either. So Rajan was a hardworking person, but he gets a job which has low profile than his academic background, whereas Raman gets a job far beyond her credibility because of the perk her family possess. So the reason why we named this play Good, Better and the Worst, because the individual who was better gets worst, and here it is Harry, and the individual who was worst gets the better, and certainly it was Raman. So Rajan did not have any expectations to get good jobs. So in nutshell, that is how nepotism system works.